used to wash your clothes in one basin, and the clothes used to go scrub, 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 scrubs, put up 2 blood clots on that hair.
Grandma did that still. My grandma did that still.
What do you mean?
What are you doing? Come on, you don't know how to do dance proper. Let me show you. Come on, reverse your face. Come on, let me show you. Hey, everybody, Charlie. If you went to the store and bought Coke instead of Pepsi because you are living life on the edge, give me fingers.
Hey.
Scared. I said, give me fingers. What's wrong with you people? Give me fingers. Start talking about, yo. You don't want to dance. Hey, who is throwing Hennessy bottle on me? Huh? You don't make me mad in here. I will do something to all of you. You know, where's the bottle? I will take the bottle and you're not getting it back. Eh?